Welcome to our YouTube video where we introduce you to our guru Matt and his intelligence strategy. The easiest way for beginners to make money online with YouTube. No need to be on camera or an influencer. Create a product or course, or have a large starting capital. This method has a long lifespan, allowing you to do the work once and earn regularly for years. Learn how to make money on YouTube without making videos step by step in this informative expose. We want you to have financial freedom and live life on your terms. Drive the car you want, live in your dream house, and have the partner you deserve. Hello YouTube friends, my name is Caleb. You are fortunate to have chosen this video to look at. Today we are going to introduce you to our guru Matt and his unheralded strategy, plus his completely free training. After you have watched this intro video, click the link in the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Feel free to refer this video to your friends, who will no doubt appreciate it. Without further ado, let's get into it now. In order for this to be the how to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step, it has to meet a few criteria. Number 1, you don't have to get on camera or be some sort of influencer. Number 2, you don't have to create a product or a course. Number 3, you don't have to have a large amount of starting capital to do this. Number 4, it has to have a long lifespan, which means you do the work once, and then it can pay you regularly going forward for years to come. Have you ever seen someone who has money without a partner? We want to help you with how to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step. We would like you to have the money to do what you want, and live your life how you want. Drive the car that you want, live in the house that you want, and have the partner that you deserve. Welcome to this expose on the High Partner Payout Program. This is going to be a straight-to-the-point introduction to information that shows you exactly what to do to make money on YouTube without making videos. It can be a side hustle. It's not going to be like other trainings that just talk about theory. You're going to be able to walk away from this with actionable information that you can take right now. Specifically, we are going to be going over a few different secrets for doing this. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's training. But first, why should you do YouTube as opposed to all of the other business models that are out there? Well, running YouTube channels where you don't ever have to show your face checks all of the boxes for being the best business model out there. First of all, you can run your YouTube channels from anywhere on the planet that has internet connection. Your age doesn't matter. What you look like does not matter. Matt started his YouTube journey when he was just 14 years old. That was about 10 years ago as of 2025. He was making $3,000 a month by the time he was 15, and over $30,000 a month by the time he graduated high school. Now, if you implement the secrets, Matt can't guarantee that you will automatically make $30,000 a month the first month. But we are going to be showing you exactly what Matt did step by step to achieve these dizzy heights. Now, the biggest reason that YouTube is the best business model out there is that you do the work once, and it can continue to pay you for years into the future. With other businesses, you can't necessarily say the same. We are going to be showing you exactly what Matt did step by step to achieve his dizzy heights. Now, the biggest reason that YouTube is the best business model out there is that you do the work once, and it can continue to pay you for years to come. With other businesses, you can't necessarily say the same. For many businesses, you have to constantly be doing new things within the business every single month to continue making money. With YouTube, you set up the systems and processes once. Think of every video that you upload as a piece of digital real estate that lives forever on the internet. Then it should pay you money every single month. Matt still makes money every single month from videos that he uploaded when he was just 14 years old. So we're going to show you exactly how you can start planting these seeds for your...
If you think making money online with YouTube requires endless hours of filming and editing, think again. YouTube automation is revolutionizing content creation, allowing you to build a faceless YouTube channel that works for you 24/7. AI-powered tools handle everything from scripting to voiceovers, turning raw ideas into polished videos in minutes. But here's where it gets even better. These tools aren't just about saving time. They're designed to boost your search engine rankings, ensuring your content gets discovered by the right audience. More views mean more watch time, which translates into higher engagement and, ultimately, greater monetization potential. But let's not stop there. Affiliate marketing is the secret weapon savvy creators use to supercharge their revenue. By weaving in carefully selected products and services that resonate with your audience, you can earn commissions on autopilot without ever appearing on camera. Pair this with AI-driven optimization, and you've got a make money online machine that scales effortlessly. Whether you're new to YouTube or looking to expand, the right automation strategy can turn your channel into a revenue-generating powerhouse. The only question is, are you ready to tap into this unstoppable momentum?
Have you ever dreamed of making money on YouTube in your spare time with minimal effort? Well, you're in luck. In today's digital age, generating income through YouTube has become a popular and lucrative option for many individuals. Whether you're a budding content creator or simply looking to earn some extra cash, YouTube offers a platform where you can turn your passion into profit effortlessly. So how exactly can you make money on YouTube? It's simpler than you think. By creating engaging and valuable content that resonates with your audience, you can start monetizing your videos through various methods such as ad revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and more. The key is to consistently produce high-quality videos that attract viewers and keep them coming back for more. One of the most significant benefits of earning money passively on YouTube is the potential for long-term income growth. Once you've built a loyal following and established a strong presence on the platform, you can continue to earn money from your videos, even when you're not actively creating new content. This means that you can enjoy a steady stream of income while focusing on other aspects of your life or pursuing other interests. What's even better is that making money on YouTube requires minimal effort and can be done from the comfort of your own home. With the accessibility of modern technology and the user-friendly tools provided by YouTube, anyone can start their journey to financial success with just a few clicks. So why wait? Start creating content, building your audience, and watch the money roll in effortlessly on YouTube. Setting up your channel. Setting up your YouTube channel is the first step towards monetizing your content and reaching a wider audience. To maximize your channel's potential for success, it's essential to create and optimize it with a few key elements in mind. First and foremost, choose a catchy channel name that reflects your content niche. Your channel name is the first thing viewers will see, so make sure it's memorable and relevant to the type of content you'll be producing. Whether you're a beauty guru, gaming enthusiast, or cooking aficionado, your channel name should give viewers a clear idea of what to expect from your videos. Next, design a visually appealing channel banner and logo. Your channel banner is like the storefront of your channel, so it's important to make a good first impression. Use high-quality images and graphics that represent your brand and style. Your logo should be simple yet eye-catching, making it easy for viewers to recognize your channel across different platforms. Don't forget to complete your channel description with relevant keywords for better discoverability. Use this space to introduce yourself, describe your content, and include keywords that are related to your niche. This will help YouTube's algorithm understand what your channel is about and recommend it to users who are interested in similar content. By following these steps and optimizing your YouTube channel for monetization, you'll be well on your way to building a successful online presence and earning money through your passion for creating content. So get creative, showcase your unique style, and start attracting viewers to your channel today. Content creation strategies. When it comes to making money on YouTube, producing engaging videos that attract viewers and advertisers is key. To stand out in the crowded digital landscape, you'll need to implement effective content creation strategies that resonate with your audience and drive monetization opportunities. One of the first steps in creating compelling content is to research trending topics and keywords to ensure your videos are relevant and discoverable. By staying up to date with popular trends and using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can increase your chances of reaching a wider audience and attracting more views. Consistency is key when it comes to building a loyal following on YouTube. Maintaining a consistent upload schedule not only keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active and relevant. Whether you choose to upload weekly, bi-weekly, or daily, sticking to a schedule will help you build momentum and grow your subscriber base over time. In addition to staying consistent, focusing on high-quality video production and storytelling is essential for capturing viewers' attention and keeping them engaged. Invest in good lighting, audio equipment, and editing software to ensure your videos look and sound professional. Moreover, storytelling is a powerful tool for connecting with your audience on an emotional level and creating a memorable viewing experience. By implementing these content creation strategies, you can create engaging videos that not only attract viewers, but also appeal to potential advertisers looking to collaborate with content creators. So roll up your sleeves, get creative, and start producing content that will set you on the path to YouTube success. Monetization methods. As you continue to grow your YouTube channel and attract a loyal audience, exploring different ways to monetize your content can help you turn your passion into profit. From enabling AdSense monetization to leveraging affiliate marketing and securing sponsorships, there are various avenues through which you can generate income on the platform. One of the most common and straightforward ways to monetize your YouTube channel is by enabling AdSense monetization. By joining the YouTube Partner Program and enabling ads to be displayed on your videos, you can earn revenue based on factors such as ad impressions and clicks. This passive income stream allows you to earn money while focusing on creating engaging content for your viewers. Another lucrative monetization method is affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. By partnering with brands that align with your content and audience, you can monetize your videos in a way that feels organic and adds value to your viewers' experience. In addition to AdSense and affiliate marketing, consider exploring sponsorships and brand deals as additional sources of income. Collaborating with brands that resonate with your audience can not only provide a steady stream of revenue, but also offer opportunities for creative partnerships and exposure to new audiences. Whether it's featuring sponsored content in your videos or creating dedicated brand integrations, sponsorships can be a mutually beneficial way to monetize your YouTube channel. By diversifying your monetization methods and exploring different revenue streams, you can maximize your earning potential on YouTube and turn your channel into a sustainable source of income. So, get creative, forge partnerships with brands, and start monetizing your content in ways that align with your brand and values. Engaging with your audience. Building a loyal community of subscribers and viewers is essential for the long-term success of your YouTube channel. By actively engaging with your audience, you can foster a sense of community, strengthen viewer loyalty, and create a supportive environment that encourages growth and interaction. One of the most effective ways to engage with your audience is by responding to comments and actively participating in conversations on your videos. By acknowledging and responding to viewer feedback, questions, and suggestions, you show your audience that their opinions are valued and that you are invested in building a relationship with them. This two-way communication not only fosters a sense of community, but also helps you better understand your audience's preferences and interests. Running polls, Quanda sessions, and giveaways are great ways to interact with your viewers and keep them engaged. Polls can help you gather feedback on potential video ideas or content preferences, while Quanda sessions allow you to connect with your audience on a more personal level and answer their burning questions. Giveaways can also incentivize viewer engagement and reward loyal subscribers for their support, creating excitement and buzz around your channel. Furthermore, encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel for more content. Remind your audience to engage with your videos by liking, commenting, and sharing them with their friends and followers. Encouraging viewers to subscribe not only helps you grow your subscriber base, but also ensures that they stay updated on your latest uploads and activities. By actively engaging with your audience, running interactive sessions, and encouraging viewer participation, you can build a strong and loyal community of subscribers and viewers who are invested in your content and eager to support your channel's growth. So, prioritize building relationships with your audience, creating a welcoming environment, and fostering a sense of community that keeps viewers coming back for more. Analyzing performance. Tracking and analyzing your YouTube channel's performance is crucial for optimizing growth, understanding your audience, and improving the overall success of your content. By leveraging tools like YouTube Analytics and paying attention to key metrics, you can gain valuable insights that inform your content strategy and help you make data-driven decisions to drive engagement and viewership. One of the first steps in analyzing your channel's performance is to use YouTube Analytics to monitor key metrics such as watch time, audience retention, and demographics. Watch time indicates how long viewers are watching your videos, while audience retention shows you at what point viewers are dropping off. By understanding these metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and tailor your content to better meet your audience's preferences and expectations. Additionally, analyzing demographics can help you better understand your audience's age, gender, location, and interests, allowing you to create content that resonates with your target viewers. Identifying top-performing videos and replicating successful content strategies is another effective way to optimize your channel for growth. By analyzing which videos are driving the most views, engagement, and conversions, you can pinpoint what resonates with your audience and replicate those successful elements in future content. Whether it's the topic, format, style, or delivery, understanding what works well with your viewers can help you create more of the content they love. Experimenting with different video formats and styles based on audience feedback is also essential for optimizing your channel's performance. Pay attention to viewer comments, likes, and dislikes to gather insights into what your audience enjoys and what they find engaging. By testing out new ideas, formats, and approaches, you can keep your content fresh, innovative, and aligned with your audience's preferences. By consistently tracking and analyzing your channel's performance, identifying successful strategies, and experimenting with new content formats, you can optimize your YouTube channel for growth, engagement, and long-term success. So dive into your analytics, listen to your audience, and use data-driven insights to refine your content strategy and drive meaningful results on the platform. Monetizing a YouTube channel requires a strategic approach that combines consistency, quality content, and active audience engagement. By following the key points discussed in this video, you can set yourself up for success and maximize your earning potential on the platform. Consistency is crucial for building a loyal audience and maintaining momentum on your channel. By sticking to a regular upload schedule and delivering content that resonates with your viewers, you can keep them engaged and coming back for more. Quality content is equally important in attracting viewers and advertisers to your channel. By focusing on high production value, storytelling, and relevance to your audience, you can create videos that captivate viewers and drive monetization opportunities. Engaging with your audience is essential for fostering a sense of community and building a strong subscriber base. By responding to comments, running interactive sessions, and encouraging viewer participation, you can create a supportive environment that encourages growth and interaction. We invite you to take action and support our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Your support helps us continue to create valuable content and grow our community of viewers. If you found this video helpful, we suggest exploring more content on our channel for additional tips, strategies, and insights on monetizing your YouTube channel. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, there's always more. In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.